Well, not the best day to be beside the seaside across parts of eastern England today. We've had some torrential downpours this week. Over 60 millimetres of rain fell across parts of Kent yesterday. That's over 2 inches. And it remains rather unsettled, really, this afternoon. Cool and showery for many of us. Now, if we take a look at the pressure chart, we can see what's been going on. It's this occlusion here that's been working its way in across many eastern parts of England, now working a little bit further west, but still bringing some very wet weather indeed and some quite blustery winds too. And it's going to stay with us for a wee while yet. So for this afternoon, I think across parts of the East Midlands in towards Lincolnshire at risk of some pretty heavy downpours here. And the wind's still a feature of the weather, still rather cool and northerly flow for most of us. You can see, though, some brighter weather just edging in towards parts of East Anglia and the southeast, so perhaps a little bit of sunshine here. Head further west and the showers extending over towards Dorset and parts of Wales, but I think for Devon and for Cornwall this afternoon, holding on to the drier, brighter weather here. 22 the high, that's 72 in Fahrenheit. If you can get out of the strong winds, that should feel fairly pleasant. Up we go towards Northern Ireland and Scotland here, and I think around about the Glasgow area, down towards Dumfries and Galloway, holding on to some of the best of the sunshine, and again, feeling warm if you can get out of the wind. Now, through the rest of this evening and overnight, most of the showers tending to ease away from many central parts, but the next finger of rain you can see just working its way in down eastern parts of England. Maybe a little bit of a chilly night to come across parts of Scotland. Temperatures in Glasgow dropping to single figures, could be a little bit lower in some of the rural spots here, but it should mean at least some sunshine. Now, if we take a look in towards the new week, then, well, we're being attacked on both sides, really. We've got one weather front moving in off the Atlantic, and this low pressure over Scandinavia still throwing in bands of blustery showers towards the UK, so eastern areas most likely to see those. However, I do think Monday may well prove to be a drier, brighter and a touch warmer day for some of us. We can see the sunshine extending in across the charts, chasing the showers away. Temperatures peaking at around 22 again towards the southwest. West really is best for many spots, I think, through at least today and tomorrow. Now, for the rest of the week, well, it really does stay rather unsettled. You saw the weather fronts attacking us. They're going to be with us really as we head into next week. This one area, the weather front moving its way down, coming into many western parts, and you can see the bands of showers working their way around that low pressure, so always western and eastern areas more likely to pick up some showers. Tuesday then you can see where we're likely to see the showers, with the rain moving in towards Northern Ireland, western Scotland, making it feel much cooler here, quite breezy as well. Elsewhere a little bit drier at the moment. Heading down through Tuesday night into Wednesday, the low pressure sinks its way down towards the southwest here, and that looks likely as though it's going to bring in quite a bit of rain towards southwestern parts as we head towards the end of the week. So for Wednesday, the hint of the rain coming into the southwest, but some sunshine and a little bit warmer, I think, finally for some eastern parts. Here we go then, watching the low pressure through Wednesday, working its way northwards across the UK through Thursday, coming in across southwest England, parts of Wales, the Midlands. You can see the rain will gradually work its way up across the UK. Not too bad though for Scotland and Northern Ireland, staying just to the north of the rain area through Thursday, but pretty wet across parts of England and Wales, especially towards the southwest. And still that low pressure continues to trundle its way northwards as we head through to Friday. So more rain on the cards for much of England.
Yeah, quite a shock to the system really, isn't it? We haven't got quite as much rain as we had yesterday. The winds have eased a bit, but we're blowing in a lot of cloud.